tell you about glass blowing traditions in Livani. This tradition started in 19th century when first glass factory was opened in Livani. Glass blowing traditions were passed from family member to other family members, and these traditions were maintained and polished through generations. Factory had glass artist department, and when glass artists cooperated with glass blowers, then miracles happened. These products were also admired abroad, and a lot of exhibitions were organized to show best products of Livani glass factory. In 90s, Soviet Union collapsed and closed borders. That is why Livani glass factory started to produce glass aimed for European market. Although production were creative and qualitative, it wasn't shown in exhibitions anymore. Because of sudden changes of power and lack of experience, in 2008, factory went bankrupt. And once bustling factory premises now have turned into ruins. But it was not the end for glass production in Livani. Part of former employees of Livani glass factory opened new factory that focused their production on making new technologies for surgeries. These new products are made out of glass fiber. Nowadays in Livani operates two factories like that. One is Kerem Optik and other one is Light Guide Optic International. Another thing that is left for us from Livani glass factory is collection of factory's glass production. Nowadays, this collection is exhibited in Livani Glass Museum at Livani Glass and Craft Center. The art and craft of glass blowing are more than just creating beautiful vessel. It is about inspiring others to create beauty too. That is why in 2016, glass blowing workshop was opened in Livani, Glass and Craft Center. From the beginning, workshop operated in test mode only for a few months, but later on in 2018, this workshop started working full-time. Livani Glass Blowing Workshop cooperates with artists. Every glass artist can rent workshop for as long as they need, and by cooperating with our glass blower, make their pieces of art. Also, we are cooperating with Livani Glass Factory's former glass artists. This year, for example, glass artists Ludmila Safronova and Aida Rodchenkova designed glasses for Livani Glass and Craft Center's 20th anniversary, and it was made by glass blower Alexander Slogvins. Thanks to the existence of glass blowing workshop, we can organize projects related to glass, and after that, exhibit the results. For example, last year, Project Glass Feeling was made, where participated 10 excellent glass artists from Baltic states, and by cooperating with our glass blowers, made many beautiful pieces of art. To focus on improving glass blowing skills and to gain better results, it is important for glass blower to have support team. Livani municipality provides our glass blower Alexanders with colleagues that advertise and sell production of workshop, accept specific orders as presentation materials or prizes, educates workshop visitors about glass blowing process, organize technical questions, orders necessary tools and raw materials for glass blowing. Without this team job of our diligent employees, Livani Glass Blowing Workshop wouldn't be as productive. Glass blowing workshop consists of very specific and expensive equipment, and Livani municipality doesn't have specialists that would be knowledgeable in maintaining it. This is why we are grateful that company Kerem Optik supports us by lending their specialists to do the maintenance of workshop's equipment. But sometimes equipment of workshop needs more specific repairment. Then that is another challenge for municipality, because there is no specialists in Latvia that would know how to do it. That is when we need to search for a competent specialist abroad.